Hi guys, welcome to Traditional Dev. I am Majesty and I'm your teacher for this web designing master class with no lines of code. And before we start with this class, I wish to remind you of what we did in our previous class. So for those who are not able to watch the previous video, I think it will be necessary for you to go and watch it on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click and subscribe on. So in that class we talked about what to be expected to know after the end of this web designing master class. So that's basically what we did there. We pointed some of the outlines were about domain name and hosting, themes and plugin, and so on. So do yourself a favor by going to watch the video to know more of what you said. So for today's class, we'll be talking about domain or domain name and hosting. So we're talking I'll also teach you on how to navigate to your cpanel after getting your domain and hosting. So basically after after teaching you how to get your domain and your web hosting, I also give you some background knowledge of your cpanel. So what is domain or and what is domain and hosting? So domain or domain name, when referring to an internet address or a name. A domain or domain name is the location of your website. For example, the domain name Google points to the IP address 216.58.216.164. And to remember this thing might be difficult. So it's better to just use the name than the long string of numbers. So types of domain or domain name, we have .gov, we have .ng, we have .org. .com means for commercial business. .org is for organizations like non-profit organizations. .gov is for government agencies. .edu is for educational institutions. .net is for network organizations. .me is for military organizations, and .int is for intergovernmental organizations. So we'll be going to hosting, and I would like to tell you what is hosting. Hosting or web hosting is the act of hosting a website through a server. These servers offers the facilities required for them to create and maintain the site and make it live and accessible on the World Wide Web. Basically, companies that provide web hosting services are sometimes called web hosts. And when you sign up for a web hosting server or service, you basically rent some space on a physical server where you can store all the files and data necessary for a website to work properly. So the hosting is basically for where to put your website files on the internet, on the cloud. So types of hosting, you have shared hosting, dedicated hosting, VPS hosting, cloud hosting, and managed server. Also correlated servers. So that's basically about types of hosting. So but I'm not going to go into detail about it. So getting into how to get the domain name and hosting. To get started, first you have to select the type of web hosting plan and choose the domain name, what to make a website. So once you have confirmed the purchase for the package you choose, you take advantage of the free building website tools provided by your hosting server. and create the website of your dream. So that's basically it. For this class, I will be taking you on how to get your own domain name and hosting on namecheap.com. So for you to get to the website, you have to go to your browser and type namecheap.com. So once you have searched it on your web browser, this is what you see on the screen of the front page of the web hosting service website. So you have to now start searching for the domain name you will use. Basically, to get a domain name is actually sometimes difficult because sometimes it's not actually easy. So as you can see, first of all, this place, the this place that yeah you start searching this place, they wrote register and all those stuff, so everything. Start searching for the domain name you use. So we'll be using myclass.com to know if it will be available. So as I told you, like, to get a domain sometimes might be difficult because it might be registered before. So as we click on the search button, the server will start searching to know if there is already if it's available. So yeah, unfortunately we are not able to get it. It has been registered. Yeah, so myclass.com has been registered before, so it's not available. So have to look for another hosting, another domain. Yeah, so you have to search again to know if you can get another one that is maybe a little bit close to it. My class club, but to my surprise also it was also taken again. So I don't know what to do again, so I just have to just find another one. It was also not available. So I now have to check my code cam my to check test and see testemail.com to know if it is available, because this is what you'll be facing when choosing your own domain name. So as you can see, it was also taken also. So I don't know what to do again. I now checked my code camp to know if it will be available. Getting a domain can be difficult actually, because some of these domains have been used by a company or have been registered, so it will not be easy for you to get. So this is how you will choose, and that's why it's always necessary to get a unique name for your business that no one have ever used before. So I now checked my code camp and saw it was available, so I now add it to cart. But I've not had an account with Namecheap before. So once I click on the add to cart button and click to proceed, yeah, I click on the add to cart button and click on proceed, but it's taking time to load though. Yeah, so it has actually added to cart. Yeah, so as you can see now, it's giving me hosting plans already for SSL web hosting. I added it here because I want to host the website here on this place now. So I added all the things I need for my hosting and so on, the SSL, I wish to also use for WordPress because this is what we'll be using. So I added WordPress hosting to it and also add normal web hosting in case I feel like, and also added, yeah, so you can add as many features you want on your own. Yeah, so business mail is also very important. After adding the features I needed for my web hosting, on Namecheap, I click on checkout. Like I said, I don't have any account with them before, so for me to proceed, I have to create an account with them. So this is what they gave me after adding the features I like, and they say that I should now confirm my order. If you have a promo code, you can actually put it there. So that's it. But I will be giving you my link. With my link, you can also have a promo code for you can get your own promo code that will give you some discounts on the comment section. So I clicked on confirm order, and they now have to bring me here so that I can create an account with them, which I started doing. Start putting my details. So I now have to, for I have not had account with them before, so I started with creating an account, putting a username, yeah, put your password. As you can see, I'm doing filling my own details, my cards, and so on. Once I am done, I'll click on continue. So once you click on continue and you confirm your order, make your payment, you use to navigate to your cpanel. So to get to your cpanel, you have to just simply go to your browser and type the name of your website. The website you bought then was mycodecap.com. So for us to get to the cpanel, it's just very, very simple. You go to your browser and web browser search engine and just type the name of the website slash cpanel. Now I'm just doing it now on my web browser. Yeah, my codecamp slash cpanel. So once you click on that, and it should just bring you to this place, the cpanel, with the email address, with the email they sent to your email address, your web hosting server will send to your email address. You can always navigate and put your username and password, which you put as when you are getting your hosting and domain name. So once you're login, this is what you'll be seeing on your cpanel. The first thing you'll be seeing is your tools. This is where creating your WordPress website lies on and managing your website lies on. These are the tools you'll be seeing, like emails, accounts, forwarders, and other stuffs. After emails, you see files. So on files is where you'll be saving your website contents, your website storing. This is where you'll be storing your website contents and files on your file manager. Another thing is the database, where data of your website are being kept, like my php.admin, my SQL, and all those stuff. So the most important aspect of this cpanel is your security. So that's where you will have to set your SSL. But on my next video is where I will be teaching you on how to secure your website so that it will be secured and free from spams and all those stuff. Because once you don't do it, like, your website will not be safe for people that will be coming to your website. So it's always necessary to secure your website. So I'm going to be doing a video on how to secure your setting your SSL for your website to make it secure. So the software aspect is where we'll be talking about how to install your WordPress, and basically is your Softaculous app. Just get this into your head. If you go to your software as dashboard for your cpanel, that's where we see your Softaculous app. So it's necessary that on our next video is where I will tell you on how to use this Softaculous app to build your WordPress website. So this is just about cpanel. So thank you for what is domain and how to get hosting and those stuff. In our next class, we'll be talking about how to install WordPress on your cpanel and start your website and start building your website in your cpanel and make you an amazing website. So I think is you will not like to miss the next class. So click on the notification button, and so that anytime I drop the next video, I'm going to drop it very soon, so you will not be left behind. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and also hit on the like button. It's necessary. And after installing the WordPress in your cpanel, there is an error there. Please, pardon me. It's not in your cpanel. It's supposed to be in your cpanel, but I cannot edit it again. But please just put it in your mind that I say that it is in your cpanel. So after installing your